I've been watching you like a hawk in the sky.
It is what's it be? Tuesday. Yeah. Well 3:30. I leave with my good Penton Road. I gotta pick up some makeup stuff. My fifi fried chicken. So I gotta cook fried chicken today. So I need to get the chicken. So guys, I'm trying to get my little brother to come up here. But my parents refused to send him on the coach by himself. So I might have to go for him tomorrow. I don't know. I don't know. Hopefully I get to go home tomorrow. Because if you don't know, well, everybody still didn't hear my country accents. Because I come from Shenseea. But I do know how to speak proper English. Don't get it twisted. So I try to go for my brother tomorrow, because tomorrow Ash Wednesday and him have holiday. Yeah. He make sure message me this morning I have holidays tomorrow. I was like, okay. So I probably need to come through for him, because I miss him so much. And I want to see him. Because you know my other brother did up here the other day, so I don't miss him that much. I miss my mother and I miss him so much. So I want to go see him. OHDIJA asleep. She go to school this morning and she come back home. She asleep. I say I like him just grieve me soul. With the Trinity Carnival snap them. Guys, like, I hate him. But anyways, they know Jamaica Carnival will come up and whatever. Taxi just reach. Hey. You good? So guys, me about to cook. Yo, me not understand why one side of me here longer than one. Like, what is this? Anyways, me I use the salt as my tripod right now. Me about to cook some fried chicken, some mashed potatoes and some steamed veg. Yeah, me I cook some shrimp mashed potatoes because my favorite shrimp. Not that me not favorite shrimp every day, but yeah, I'm my favorite food. So yeah, so I'm gonna start on that. I'm gonna season up my chicken and start boiling my potatoes and stuff. Yeah. So that's what we're up to right now. OHDIJA finished edit the birthday vlog. Yeah. Oh, by the way, guys, the whole Remy and Nicki Minaj beef, which side are they on? Because I'm team Nicki all the way. Even though Remy murder her on the track day, but I'm team Nicki. I'm team Barbs. Tell me which side you're on. Comment below and let me know. OHDIJA? Team Remy or team Nicki? Okay, I thought so. I asked them which team they're on.
Nicki for sure. Even though Remy
Remy murder upon the track day, but
still, you know.
yeah.
But my original OHDIJA Barbie, come on.
Yeah guys, so that's what we're up to right now. So yeah guys, so really just get caught up. I never film all of my cooking. So fried chicken, guys, and some shrimp mashed potatoes. So good. And I added cream cheese to that and some steamed fish. Yeah, so that's dinner. I'm gonna plate that right now and eat because the bitch is hungry.
Brand new one in our bed tonight. Bitch, where? The ball out when my 416 has a wrong pin started down. still feel like a virgin. I will love it, sit down. No matter how me ram it, I'm a jamming. Darling, stop.
Don't know. I don't cut you here. Big up Guinness. Big up Moscow. Big up Rory.
Bitch.
You're the dream team.
Bitch, why?
Listen, big up. All team, the strikers, you know.
Why?
Because
Big up.
Black man want to play.
You want just
black dog. Hold on, that's okay.
You know what I'm talking about?
jealous.
All
You sound jealous. You too.
easy. Easy.
Well, easy.
Yes.
Can't deal with it, no.
When me jiggle jiggle,
Broke out.
when me jiggle jiggle,
Broke out.
when me jiggle jiggle,
Broke out.
yeah. Jiggle jiggle, my body a jiggle jiggle, make a bend and or ride it like a bicycle. Jiggle jiggle, my body a jiggle jiggle, do it fast, come know my body fits like fiddle. Inna the me go me a jump and a jiggle, make a bend and or ride it like a bicycle. Boy, jiggle jiggle, body fi a jiggle, from out and no time give me single. She cock it up, take it.
Get you down to the top.
Somebody pass.
So guys,
So, when we sit down there, so, we put them all the way up there, so, and we back them down there, so we feel it. If we sit down high up.
so guys, them are argue over who can sit down and who can sit down. Like what the hell?
You look stressed the fuck out over there, so make me ask.
We just want people.
We need some soup, dog. Me drunk.
High five.
Me no.
No, you're not gonna ever know where it's out, right? You're not gonna know where it's out.
She know, but she just can't be a bad type because she good. She Gucci as fuck.
Am I? Am I Gucci? Find out in the next vlog.
In the next vlog.
Never. Guys, I'm really drunk. I'm tired. I'm gonna go country tomorrow. So, you know how that go.
Boy, I've been watching you like a hawk in the sky at night, and you are my prey. Boy, I promise you, if we keep bumping heads, I know that one of these days we gon' get up, probably talk on the phone. You see, I don't know if that's good. I've been hoping that you'd see clear from you. I probably shouldn't tell you, but if I let you know, you can't tell nobody, I'll tell nobody. Are you responsible? Boy, I gotta watch my back, I'm not just anybody. Is it my call? Is it your call? Sometimes I got it good, right now I'm not at night. Say it's so single, 'cause I need somebody, tell me that somebody. Boy, won't you pick me up at the park right now, up the back, while everyone sleep. I'll be waiting there with my trench, my lugs, my hat, just so I'm low-key. If you tell the world, oh boy, see I'm trusting you with my heart, my soul, I probably shouldn't let you know. If I let this go, you can't tell nobody, I'm telling nobody. I hope you respond.
Give me a kiss. Kiss me. Kiss me. Kiss me. Mwah. I love you. So guys, this is my grandmother. And that's my brother in the back.
That's how we old.
Hmm?
That's how we old now.
You're not old. You still look pretty though.
I'm 83.
You still look pretty?
I'm 83 now.
Hmm? You're 83. But you still look pretty, mama.
Every day I'm talking about I miss you.
Hmm?
I miss you.
You miss me? Oh.
I am my home.
Mm-hmm. So hi guys. Tell him hi.
Hi guys.
So meet the love of my life. That's my baby. He's my brother, by the way. Tell him your name.
My name is Divi.
I look probably like that. Weird. So yeah, so him spending a few days with me. Yeah, when you go home. Tomorrow?
Saturday.
Tomorrow?
Tomorrow Saturday?
Ready to go home?
No.
Oh guys, like we haven't been working out. Alright, so why we haven't been working out? I have no idea. We just like because the way they here, that's why I'm not up for this week. Monday I did my birthday, Wednesday I did holiday, and then the way they here, so there's no way I could have go. Last week I go one day, and then the next 2 days then I did feel like shit, so I never go away. So yeah.
Boy, I've been watching you like a hawk in the sky.